How to get career clarity with 4C3P coaching program. Career choice is a challenge that confronts almost everyone at some point of time. Purpose is the reason you journey. Passion is the fire that lights the way. A career should be taken up seriously and not flippantly at the suggestion of your well-wishers because your friends have opted for it. I strongly believe knowing about the career choices which abound in the present times is a partial solution to the great problem. You need life skills, you need better study skills. 10 years from now, make sure you can say that you chose your life, you didn't settle for it. Career choice impacts our life more than anything else. There are many significant things to be addressed before anyone can take this great decision. One thing is sure, career is one part of your bigger whole, and that's your life. Hence, career clarity decision first precedes knowing yourself. Hold on. Are you assailed by doubts, have no purpose, no direction? Well, career clarity helps you to build your personality, skills. So invest your time and effort to get an experienced and seasoned mentor. You need competence-compatible career clarity to strengthen your purpose, passions, and principles. Yes, I'm Vinita with 28 years of work experience in multiple boards.